Have you ever noticed this? You comment on someone's Instagram post and within second you got a reply and then someone else comment instant reply. Someone else instant reply. This creator is replying to thousands of comments at the same time while probably sleeping. How is that possible? Is it magic? No, it's a system, and today I am going to show you how exactly it's. Let me tell about Vivek. Vivek is a content creator. He posted every day. His video get comments, people asking question, people saying hi, people are asking for the price of his product, and Vivek reply to every single one of them manually. Copy paste, type. He spent 3 hours a day just replying to comments. He is exhausted. His growth is slow because he is spending all his energy on reply instead of creating content. Sound familiar? Maybe that's you. Maybe that's someone you know. Then one day, Vivek discovers something automation and everything changed. Okay, so just let me explain what actually happening. Behind the scene, in simple words, no heavy text stuff. When someone comment on your Instagram post, Instagram send a little signal out. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a security guard standing outside your house. Every time someone knocks, the security guard immediately alerts you. The security guard is called a webhook. It's just a listener. It sits there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, waiting for someone to comment. The moment someone does, it wake up your system and says, hey, someone commented, do something, and your system says, okay, sending reply, done. The whole thing happens in less than 1 second. Now let's talk about tools. There are three ways to build this system. Each one has pros and cons. Let me show you. First one is manychat. There is a easiest option. You connect your Instagram, set up simple roles. If someone comment this word, send this reply. No coding needed. The interface is simple. Anyone can use it. The problem, it's free to start but gets expensive. First, if you have a big audience, you will be paying every month. Good for beginners who want to test the idea quickly. Then come Meta Business Suites. Second option is the Meta Business Suites. This is a Facebook and Instagram own tool. It's free, but it's very limited. You can only set up basic replies. You cannot do smart reply based on what someone actually said. It's better than nothing, but not powerful enough for real automation. Then the third option, and which one we are going to follow. This is the most powerful one in building it yourself with code, specific Python. When you build it yourself, you can do anything. Reply differently based on what someone commented. Send a DM automatically. Track who commented. Connect it to your own database. No monthly fee, no limitation. Full control. Sounds scary. It's not as hard you think. I am going to show you exactly how in the next video. So here is the simplest comparison. ManyChat is the easiest but cost money. Meta Business Suites free but limited. Custom Python, little bit of learning but completely free and most powerful. In this channel we will always choose the most powerful option. So in part 2 we are building the it ourselves. In the next video we are not using any paid tool. We are building this entire system from scratch using Python. I will show you every single step. Setting up Meta developer app, writing the webhook, listener, connecting it to Instagram and sending automatic reply. All free, all yours, no monthly subscription. If you want part 2, hit subscribe right now because I am dropping it very soon. And drop a comment below. Tell me, what are you a creator who reply comments manually? How long does it take you every day? I read every single comment. See you in part 2.